What's happening, Master Blend Nation? About to link up with Jordan. About to get on the move, get some yard work done. Y'all stay tuned, man. He got me working today. About to get real greasy out here.
What's happening?
What'd you say the fence is running right now?
5'4".
Cool. We gotta tighten up these fences and tighten up these signs, right? So, one of our biggest achievements with North Carolina Cooperative Extension, we're gonna get it tightened up, throw a nice coat of paint on it, have it looking nice and plush. Then I gotta get out here with this weed whacker and clean up around this sign here. So, new paint job and pressure wash. What you think? Nice and shiny, nice and cool, real fresh coat. Paint popping. Again, A&T, thank you guys so much. North Carolina Cooperative Extension, Department of Ag, all of you guys, thank you so much for supporting the Master Blend movement. Stay tuned, there's more to come. Say bye-bye, boo. Y'all take care of yourselves and each other. Peace. All gas, no brakes. You know the motto, turn up.